Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word can. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Ken is a talented musician who plays multiple instruments with ease. Ken, in this context, refers to someone's understanding, knowledge, or awareness of a particular subject or skill, indicating a deep familiarity and proficiency. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.